one day it's hot, the next day it's kind of cool.
Hello, fall.
Exactly. Hello, fall, but just for a day, you know how it goes. We're going to have that Saturday. But looking ahead, wind is going to be your issue. Right now, we are already seeing some wind gusts around 26 miles per hour through Corpus Christi, 24th and Naval Air Station, 29 miles per hour there through Kingsville. Wind is back out of the southeast, right? So that is some really strong onshore flow. I also want to point out this is going to stay gusty. As we look ahead to tomorrow, we've got south-southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Those gusts around 35 miles per hour. So I do expect trash can lids to be flipped up. I think Flower Bluff, it's your trash day tomorrow. Knocked over trash cans will be possible with some of those stronger gusts as well. Here's why we're tracking the wind. We've got a cold front on the way. You can really see how this frontal boundary is separating cold air from the hot air, right? We also have windy conditions that's going to be coming up in between these two areas. We've got this area of low pressure and this area of high pressure. And between those two areas, the wind really starts to escalate in what is known as the low level jet. That picks up drastically as we get an area of low pressure coming off the mountains heading into the plains. So we're going to continue to see really windy conditions, not only overnight, but into Friday morning. And something else that this low level jet does is it does increase the risk of severe weather, bringing up that tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico up into North Texas and Oklahoma. So that's where we really are focused on the risk of strong to severe thunderstorms is going to be pretty much from Austin up through Dallas and into East Texas, as well as portions of Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Arkansas. Now, yes, the coastal bend has a risk of severe weather as this cold front moves through, but we're going to be a lot further to the south than some of the stronger forcing that will be associated with that low pressure to the north. So the further north we have, that low level jet kicks in, it's going to create an area where atmospheric spin is high across that area of that enhanced level 3 severe weather risk. For us, we appear to have a high risk of some spin in the atmosphere and available energy. However, we have to have the timing of the cold front and our upper level atmospheric conditions time out at the same time. You can see the cold front is further away from that, and so we're not going to get the lift we need to create some of those severe storms until we get into the overnight hours, but we start to lose the pinks. We start to get closer to that lower risk of severe weather across the coastal bend as that cold front is moving through. So yes, we do have a risk of some storms Friday night. It looks like after 8 o'clock all the way through about 4 a.m. closer to the coast. We will have a low risk of hail and even can't rule out the tornado risk, but moderate risk of wind is going to be something we're watching. So you will see even tomorrow without this cold front moving through, we're talking winds out of the south-southeast 24 miles per hour and 96 degrees, your heat index. Tomorrow, yeah, we're talking heat index values in the 90s tomorrow. But I want to point out as this cold front does move through, we're going to start to see our dew points drop. Saturday looks really nice and pleasant. So in your 7-day forecast, you are going to notice that those winds are going to be strong Friday. They drop as we head into Saturday and they shift out of the northeast there. And that's what's going to bring in that drier air, really pleasant conditions on Saturday. Don't forget to change the clocks on Sunday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Summer returns after we change our clocks though,
So get through this kind of muggy, hot weather, but then we have like a nice little bout of really lovely weather.
Saturday.
Enjoy it.